Alright, so to wrap up strings, let's talk about string literals. So as I said, strings and string slices are always going to be a valid UTF-8 sequence. Well, sometimes you might not want a valid UTF-8 sequence, and that is where string literals are going to come into play. So let's take a quick example of what a string literal might look like. So we're going to create a variable called rust. We're going to put double quotes around it, and then we're going to use the backward slash, and we're going to say, in this case, I'm going to go x52, x75, x73, and x74. So these are all special characters, x52, x75, 73, 74, and I'm using this backward slash to escape those special characters. So let's go ahead and print out what we just typed. Cargo build, cargo run, and we typed out rust, but we did it a super fancy way. So again, string literals you will want to use when you don't want to have valid UTF-8.